Hi, this is Shanzai.com, and today we're bringing you a first look at the appropriately named Firstview 607V 7-inch tablet device based on the Wonder Media Prism platform system on a chip 8505. And what's interesting about this device is one of the first tablets that we've seen that actually includes a webcam. One of the big complaints about the iPad that we're looking at here with the camera is that it didn't include a webcam off the bat, which Apple easily could have, and obviously we'll be upgrading to future versions. But the Chinese didn't want to wait, and they decided to come up with that technology right off the bat to show that it can be done, and because Android is very well suited to that type of application. As I said, this is just a first look at the device, so it's kind of interesting from a hardware standpoint. Looking at the buttons on the side here, we've got the back, home, and menu buttons that are typically being found on these devices, actually we're seeing. And it's always nice to have those because it does make it a lot easier for navigating around the device. There's a power button that gets you directly to power on and off the device separately. This one's a little bit unique in that it's also got a stylus. Now, I haven't used the stylus on the device and I haven't had a chance to play with this one for very long yet to actually understand why you need it. It has a fairly fine performing touchscreen in the first place, so I'm not sure why the stylus is part of the package. Also interesting about this device is there is a SIM card slot. Now, the SIM card functionality isn't working on the device, we can confirm that, but it does also include two USB connections to connect directly to your PC, a power supply button, and of course your headphone button. You can also see there's SD card memory, that we've included a full-size SD card in the device as well, and here's the actual product itself. Now, we've taken a look at quite a few of these, and again, unfortunately today they're not giving us a chance to really play around with the device for as long as we'd like to give you the full review, but we thought it might be just kind of fun for you to see where the devices are going. You can see the performance is the same probably about as the Ekin that we reviewed before. These ones have slightly more RAM in the device, so they actually should perform a little bit faster. And generally speaking, I would say they are slightly snappier, but pretty comparable performance to the Ekin that we looked at before. What can I say? I don't want to go make this video too long. We have got the devices, we've got to give them back. I think Computex, we're expecting to see all kinds of devices and a lot more of these type of products. And after that, I think we'll have actually time to get some of these guys to let us play with the devices a little bit longer and give us the full reviews for you so you can really totally understand the complete performance story with the tablet. Anyway, this is a first look and the first view, a very unique tablet because it's got the web camera already built in. The first one we really had our hands on. It's got the web camera and the functionality for that working.